Look at my cats. I put a harnesses on them. They both knocked out. Oh my God. What is going on?
I'm trying to fix it. Stop, don't bang your head.
She's trying to take them off. My cat. Wait. What is this?
Give me. No, get her off me now. You go back there.
Oh, it's okay, baby.
No slaw, extra toast, and with the extra sauce. A root beer. Yeah. Could I also get a 3-finger combo with a Sprite? There's no Sprite. Did you get that? Wait, did you get the last thing I said? Oh yeah, thank you. And could I also get a Dr. Pepper? Yeah.
Sauces.
And did you get anything?
No, I'm good.
Oh, and that'll be it. Idil, IDIL. Come on, bro. They can't hear me back here.
They can't, like, say something.
That wasn't even an order. That was an exchange.
I don't think that's something.
No, the way that you said it was them in exchange. You was checking your order and everything. Yeah.
What the absolute hell is going on? Second video I see, and it's just a fat man oiled up, no shirt on, he's emoting, and he has oil all over his
I got you.
oiled up.
How you order this order?
Good, how about you?
Don't show Hartley that.
All right.
I mean, Jenna, not Jenna. Don't show Jenna. Najma.
All right, thanks. What you say, next one? Yeah, it's in my bag.
That's what I'm saying.
Guys,
I don't know though. That's not the
Where's
law,
Harley?
but that's-
Maine is the same thing, man.
Who?
It's over for me.
I'll cry.
Chandler.
Let her.
I know. Come on, Jenna. She's walking. Daddy. She's walking.
Yeah? Put Harley down next door.